Hey, this is Haji Agent A from the Agent A Show. I'm currently working on this 1970 Monte Carlo. My goal was to break it down into sections. So I started with the engine. I got the car, it had an engine and a transmission in it. I took the engine, ripped it apart down to the block. I'm currently putting everything back on. So I stockpiled the parts first, got all the parts I needed for the engine. Now I'm throwing it back on the block. After I'm done with the engine, I'm gonna make a parts list for the below. I'm gonna just change the brakes, the shocks, the springs, all that I'm gonna do under the car. I'm gonna get me a list, stockpile the parts, and then attack it. So that's how I'm doing everything. I'm making a list, stockpiling the parts, and then attacking the list. Like I said, I'm new to this. Bear with me. I'm gonna take you on a journey and let you see how I did it. Let's take this car cover off and see what we got.
Agent B.
As you can see, fender is not in the best of shape. The hood has some rust damage. The other fender is not in the best of shape. There's a lot of rust on the hood, on the roof. You can see where it's ate up right there. You can see that hood where it's ate up. If you got any idea what I could do for the rest, let me know. Am I going to need a whole new hood? Or can that be fixed without a shitload of Bondo? What do you think about those fenders? Can I replace the fenders or can they be fixed? What should I do? Let me know. Let's go on the inside. As you can see, it's a real project. It's gonna need a lot of work, Let's see what's under the hood. So I'm gonna show you some before and some after pictures of what it looked like. That's the new pulley kit. I just put it on yesterday. That power steering pump gave me a lot of problems because the gearbox was so close to the power steering pump. I didn't know how I was going to get it to fit. It's barely any room, but I made it work. I went with the serpentine belt. Hooker headers, I put those on yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all what the headers they had on it. It was horrible, disgusting. These are the headers that were on there. So if you see it, they connected it, welded it to what looks like to the exhaust, and this part's welded pretty well, and this top part is not. You see it? Crazy, right? I don't even know what this is. If someone could tell me what that is and what that came off of, I would love to know. But it don't look like it going on Monte Carlo, I'll tell you that much. So I got a lot of parts still to put on. I got to put the intake on, valve covers, distributor, but it's coming along good. I'm gonna show y'all before and after pic. So yeah, it's my baby, 1970 Monte Carlo. Let me know what you think. Any comments helps. Should I, if you think I should go with a different brand, I should do this, I should chop the roof, I should buy a new roof, I should replace the hood, I should keep the hood, I should hit this body shop, anything helps. Size rims you're thinking, I'm thinking 22s. I would love to know what y'all thinking. Color for the paint, I got an idea, but let me know what y'all think. She doesn't have a name. Help me name her. What should I name her? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna let y'all know how I'm doing with her. I'm gonna show y'all the progress. I got some before pictures. Y'all see where she at now. I'm gonna keep in touch with y'all. Y'all see where she at now. I'm gonna keep y'all posted and let y'all see where I take her. Hey, do me a favor. If you like podcasts, tune into the H&A Show. There's an app for podcasts on your phone. Hit the podcast app, type in the H&A Show, and there I go. Or you can hit me on Anchor, either or. It's the H&A Show. H&A is all we know. Yeah, hit me. Shout out to Sandy for the inspiration to do this video.